So let me show you how to use voice typing on your Redmi Note 15 Pro or speech to text. So let's say you're typing something, maybe it's a Google Docs document, you're typing a note or something, or maybe you're trying to reply to a text message. Let me show you how to do this. So as soon as the keyboard pops up and you're supposed to start typing, you should see this microphone icon here. So if you tap on it, if it's the first time, it's going to ask for permissions. So you can always select while using the app. And now it's listening to everything I'm saying and typing for me in that uh, voice to text, or rather voice typing. Now, in case you do not see this icon on your keyboard, what you need to do is go to settings. So tap on that and find this menu at the top here. Tap on settings. That takes you to the Gboot settings page. Select voice typing and make sure this is enabled. Right now, if you want faster voice typing, you can choose to download the dictation on your device so that you can do faster voice typing. But for me, it's just fast enough the way it is. Thanks for watching and good luck.